half lotus. I'll show you the bent leg version first. So I could do it left. This is the side I can do it on, left hand, left leg. But I can also do it with the left leg bent. And then I can come up and I can be non-bound side plank with half lotus. Or I can be in the bound, knee down, side plank, knee down with half lotus, okay? Or left leg is straight. I have to roll a little bit onto my left side. I have to say a little prayer, and then up we come. If I tried to get into this shape before, like, or while I was in side plank, hell no. But if I take the time to do it on the ground, it might happen. Are you ready?